Welcome back to our Design Expert channel. Today we are discussing about material handling system in part 1. This is for just a trolley shape, but it is to be somewhat different and then easy to picking the material, and it is to be traveling. First you have to select a new and then select the rectangular, and its length is 100 mm. Width is 10 mm. I'm going to extrude should be midpoint, should be 100 mm length, thickness, and we can select a face and then select a sketch. You can go into select a rectangular, you can make it, and here the length is the thickness of the another rectangular is a 10 mm, and there is to be extrude. Up to the 100 mm. Here you can see the L plate. Okay, you can create it. I'm going to select the top surface and then select normal to plane and then select the rectangular. And just want to draw the rectangular and select the diamond center line. And click here the side thickness of this 10 mm. Another one side is a 25 mm thickness. Here is also 25 mm. Okay, so 20 mm we can modify it. The side thickness is 20. Go into exit sketch. And it is to be cutted with use of the extrude cut. Is to be cutted and select the top surface to make a datum plane for the center of the thickness. Okay, this particular the plate, the panel should be the length thickness is 10 mm, so we can create a datum plane on 3 mm. Okay, I'm going to select the particular datum plane and then select a sketch and then going to draw the center axis. The center axis top distance is to be 25 mm. Now I'm going to create a select a line and draw the line. It's 27 mm for top side to the particular plate. This is to be a revolve now. The thickness is 3 mm. Okay, revolve is completed. Okay, now going to make a linear pattern. So direction of linear pattern should be selected the horizontal surface and then select it for 4 numbers. Okay, 5 numbers. I'm going to hide the datum plane. And datum plane should be moving top side 2 mm length. And now we're going to adjust the thickness of revolve. This is we can give a 3 mm, but you can adjusting the datum plane, so what you can modify that revolving thickness. Okay, now the 2 mm is given, is to be created. bottom surface and select extrude command. Select the bottom surface and select a sketch. I'm going to draw the rectangular. This is for the 4 wheelers. The wheels should be moving on the material handling systems to be using to move. And two adjacent side is 5 mm and 5 mm. And rectangular the going to extrude now. The extrude thickness is to be given 10. This is the support of the bottom wheel, the moving wheel. I'm going to give a linear pattern. You can go for a mirror command. Select right plane and then going to mirror, and again both things should be selected. Again going to mirror for front datum plane. Again you can select the top of the pedal. This should be sketch. Going to draw another one rectangular in center of the pedal. This particular square, you can select a 3-point circle. Now I'm going to identify that center of the square. I'm going to draw another one rectangular. Give a dimension of the new rectangular. Thickness is 10. And 10 cross 10 is to be created. Otherwise you cannot draw the rectangular. You can use that center coincidence just to draw the straight line. Automatically it's a coincidence you can use, and midpoint you can automatically you can create an excellent the fixing of the rectangular in center of the particular smaller square. And this thickness is 5 mm. And this is to be going to mirror. And again going to select both of them, select and mirror. Select the front plane. Okay. Now going to the imaginary wheelers to be draw. This is not an imaginary one, not be rotating here. Just show to tie purpose only you can draw. At the same time the front fork should be draw it now. The front fork is to be drawing, the thickness is 5 and length is 20, and center distance is to be, and measure it for center distance. side wall thickness distance will be 10. And it can be aligned, that is to be symmetrically aligned in center of the horizontal center axis. Now going to select it for all the this center fork. Now going to select it for extrude command, and this length is we're going to give it a 20 mm. Okay. And now again going to draw the another one rectangular for the bottom side. It should be fork. Extrude. This is 5 mm. Okay. Now going to draw the another one rectangular of front surface of the fork. This particular material only the components should be lifting on any kind of components should be easy to lift. Thickness is 5. Going to extrude. This to be 20 mm. Length is 20 mm. 30. Okay. Now going to mirror. These three extrude boss commands to be mirror. These of this right plane. 2 fork lifts should be designed. Now going to draw the circle. This is to be a wheel. It's to be imaginary only. Yeah, now we can draw it now. Creating a plane of the center of the particular square plate. I'm going to select this datum plane and create a sketch. Draw a center circle. This to be 3-point circle. Before that, going to draw the center axis and draw a center circle. 3-point circle. Okay. Diameter is to be 10. For toy based only the prototype only, not be moving any kind of movement is not possible. Okay, now going to delete the extrude command and then select the sketch again. Always going to select a thicken. You can use that thicken command. This is easy to create it. Okay, now it is created. Now this wheel, the toy wheel should be creating another one area. We are selecting the same datum plane and created here as also. Just so to imagine a center line, otherwise you can create a center line and then you can draw it. Side handle should be provided. This handle is providing those of the circles. You can select the distance of the circle from the side surface, and the diameter of the circle is to be given 15 mm, sorry 12 mm. Distance of the circle, so 7.5 mm. Okay, now we're going to extrude 15 mm. And 735 mm we can extrude it, and going to mirror it. Okay. Select the front surface of the handle. You can draw it another one circle and another inner circle. The inner circle diameter is 7. Extrude cut. We can cut it. The same cutting, extrude cut, you can be created a mirror. Right plane you can select. Okay. The color is given for the handle. It is one prototype model of trolley. Here we can see there how to be transferring the material for the easiest way. Now going to create the roundness of side edges. This is to be rounded for all the side edges. 5 mm radius to be given. Okay. Now going to give the curve. Before giving a color, you can provide all the curves, otherwise you can select the fillet. You can give in the curve color. Okay, it is to be created. Now going to create a backside white, the plain white. It's to be easy to visible for entire component. Thank you for watching our design export channel. Please subscribe my channel and click a bell button. The frequent watching our channels. The part 2 link is available descriptions to be created an assembled view of material handling system.